Today breaking news is increasing water pollution in Malaysia. Today's special guest to our news channel is Professor Vishnu. Okay, welcome Professor Vishnu.
Welcome. So first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Kevin for inviting me to this news channel.
Welcome sir. So today's breaking news is about water pollution in Malaysia. So sir, from your point of view, what are the causes that make water pollution cases rising rapidly?
Okay, there are many reasons that makes water pollution rising rapidly in Malaysia. For example, industrial waste. Industries produce a tremendous amount of waste which contain toxic chemicals and pollutants, contains harmful chemicals including lead, mercury, sulfur, nitrates, asbestos and many others. Many industries not having a proper waste management system and drain the waste in the fresh water, which goes into canals, rivers and later into the sea. The toxic chemicals may change the color of water, increasing the number of minerals called eutrophication, change the temperature of the water and pose a severe hazard to the water organisms. Secondly, sewage and wastewater that is produced in each household are treated chemically and released into the sea along with fresh water. The sewage water carries pathogens, typical water pollutants, other harmful bacteria and chemicals that can cause serious health problems and thereby diseases. After that, marine dumping. The garbage produced by household in the form of paper, plastic, food, aluminium, rubber, glass is collected and dumped into the sea in some countries. These items take 2 weeks to 200 years to decompose. When such things enter the sea, only cause water pollutant but also harm animals in the sea. More than that, accidental oil leakage. Accidental oil leakage happens when a ship carrying a large quantity of oil met with an accident. Such an oil spill can cause big damage to species in the ocean, depending on the amount of oil spill and the toxicity of pollutants. Finally, acid rain. Acid rain is essentially water pollution caused by air pollution when the acidic particles released in the atmosphere by air pollution mix with water vapor, it results in acid rain. So overall, these are some of the reasons that cause water pollution.
Oh, okay sir. So what are the effects to human races and animals?
Okay, there are many effects that we are facing currently and we would face in future also because of this water pollution. So for example, water pollution has an ability to destroy animal habitats and cause irreplaceable damage to many ecosystems. The untreated wastage chemical that dumped in river and ocean from irresponsible industries could destroy the precious under and above water lives that depends on the water. After that, water pollution could convert a clean drinking water to undrinkable water. This action mainly affects the innocent animals that drinks the undrinkable water and leads it to die. Furthermore, if the animals lose its life in large amount because of water pollution, it leads to breaking food chain and this action would be a major problem to humans race and animals too. Finally, water pollution has very negative effects on public health. A lot of disease result from drinking or being in contact with contaminated water and eating sick seafood such as diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, dysentery or skin infection. Globally, around 2.2 billion people lack access to safe drinking water service. So these are few of the effects that humans animals could face because of this issue.
Oh sir, there are many effects that I thought this water pollution causing human race and animals. So is there any possibilities that human race and animals would face extinction?
Yes, of course. If our human race, if we didn't take any serious action about this water pollution, definitely we would face extinction.
Oh, okay sir. Oh, okay sir. So what are the ways to prevent this water pollution sir?
Okay, there are several ways to prevent water pollution in order to save human race and animals. For example, first, we have to dispose toxic chemicals properly. Household solvents, pesticides, and cleaner might not seem that bad, but bleach paint, thinner, ammonia, and many chemicals are becoming a serious problem. Millions of people every month dumping toxic chemicals down the drain or flushing them down the toilet. The effects add up. This is why proper disposal is important. After that, do not pour fat and grease down the drain. Grease, fat and used cooking oil should be disposed in the trash or kept in a fat jar for disposal with other solid waste. Your pipes might clog and cause sewer pipes to clog and back into yards and basement. The waste also contaminates local bodies of water. More than that, try to avoid plastic containers. Plastic shopping bags and plastic rings from 6 packs of beverage cause inordinate problems in the nation's lakes and seas. Plastic bottles can last for decades in the water, so use reusable insulated containers to hold drinks and make your own filtered water at home. Furthermore, report water polluters. Many cases of illegal waste disposal and other forms of water pollution go unreported and often uncleaned up. Report people who pour oil in storm drains, toss bags of trash in a stream, and so on. Finally, the most important thing, plant some trees. Trees reduce erosion that washes pollution into the water and reduce erosions. You can also volunteer your time in a local tree planting effort. If you own land along a river or pond, plant trees, bushes or grass along the bank. These are some of the main solutions to avoid water pollution.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your information.
I hope every viewers of this channel would take this issue seriously after this and please take action among water pollution.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Thanks a lot.